Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to add, edit and delete comments in Microsoft Word. Let's see. Here is a word HDD. I want to insert comments here. Just select the text and go to the review and new comment. Now you can add comment here. Hard disk drive, and if you want to add another comments, just select the word and go to the review and new comment. Now you can add comment. Random access memory. And if you go to the bottom, now you can see here India. Just select the India and click new comment. India is a country name. I added 3 comments in this document. If I want to edit any comment, just click the comment section and type you can edit any comments by clicking comment section and type whatever you want. If you want to delete any comments, just select the comment section and click delete button. Comments will be deleted. Now you can add, edit and delete comments in Microsoft Word very easily. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.